Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and electronics to see if they live up to the hype. Today, we're looking at the Tegnat 3200 plus miles range TV antenna. A device that promises to revolutionize the way you watch television without paying hefty cable bills. The Tegnat antenna claims an incredible reception range of over 3,200 miles. That's right, over 3,000 miles, which means even if you live far from broadcast towers, you can still pick up free local channels in stunning quality. It supports a variety of formats. So whether you have an older HD TV or a brand new 4K smart TV, this antenna is compatible and ready to deliver. One of the standout features is the 360-degree reception capability. The antenna is designed to pick up HD TV signals from all directions, ensuring that you can access channels like Fox and Univision without worrying about orientation. Built into the antenna is the 2026 advanced amplifier with a smart IC chip, which not only strengthens the signal but also helps maintain stable reception while minimizing interference from other devices. Installation is straightforward and highly flexible. The package comes with a 38-foot coaxial cable, allowing you to place the antenna behind your TV, on a window, or even mount it on a wall. This versatility means you can experiment with positioning to achieve the best signal, whether in your living room, bedroom, basement, or even in an RV. The compact and portable design also ensures that it won't take up much space or create an eyesore in your home. The antenna also incorporates next-generation smart IC technology and crystal-clear filter systems. This combination ensures that your picture quality remains sharp and vibrant, with reduced noise, bringing out brighter colors and finer details on your screen. It's perfect for enjoying everything from local news and sports programs to kids' shows and your favorite TV series, all without a monthly cable fee. Using it is simple. Connect the antenna to the ANT-IN port on your HD TV. Set your TV's scan mode to Antenna or Air and run a channel search. Moving the antenna around to different positions can help optimize the signal. And keeping it away from large power-consuming devices like microwaves or air conditioners ensures the clearest reception possible. With Tegnat's 3200 plus miles range TV antenna, you're essentially cutting the cord, while still accessing hundreds of HD TV channels with the convenience of indoor and outdoor placement. The built-in amplifier, wide compatibility with resolutions from 720p to 8K, and long cable make this antenna an impressive solution for anyone looking to save money and still enjoy high-quality television. That's it for today's product critique review. If you're looking for an affordable, high-performance antenna that can give you extensive coverage and sharp picture quality, the Tegnat 3200 plus miles range TV antenna is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the latest electronics and gadgets.